guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted. I've been home for almost a month and I've never recorded while at home, and I don't know why. So today guys, I just got back yesterday and I was feeling so tired. I couldn't do anything at all. Yani vetu nilifika nikaeka mabags hapo chini. I couldn't do anything. Nilikuwa na feel tu nimechoka. So today I've decided to arrange my stuff. Yeah. And guys, look at my clothes. Yani hizo nguo zote ni mimi nafaa nizikunje nipange. So I've decided to record this video and show you guys how I arrange my clothes in case you are in a house where you don't have a wardrobe. Kuna nyumba zingine hazina wardrobe kama hii yangu, so you have to be creative enough and arrange your clothes. Yeah, don't stay messy. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it and leave a comment. So let's get into it. So guys, I have this clothes pack. What is it called? It's a clothes organizer, a mini wardrobe, I can say. I got it from Kilimall, and yeah, for just 1,000 shillings. Na it's just fine. Inasaidia sana kupanga nguo. It's partitioned into two parts, the lower one and this one. Alafu hapa iko na space ya hangers. You can hang your clothes. Yeah, so let's start folding our clothes and arranging them. I'm going to start with my sweaters and jackets. Wanaziweka hapa hivi kwa hizi mahana. Yeah.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you be God. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that.
As you can see, I'm done arranging my sweaters. Hapa huoneka nguo zenye huwa navaa sana. The clothes that I don't wear a lot. Hapa nyuma niko na bag huwa naziweka. So hapa naweka tu nguo zenye navaa sana. So let's get into the other part. I'll be arranging my other clothes like trousers, tops, hapa chini.
Police. Now I even can
hapa hivi chini ya hizi dressers pia kuna space yenye imeweka clothes hapa. You can literally put some clothes hapa underneath the dressers. Guys, this is so big. It occupies a lot of how do I say it? Then you can put a lot of clothes right here. Let's continue arranging. I'm done arranging the clothes and I love the outcome. Yeah, just look at it. How does it look? So guys, hapa juu, as you can see, there is this space over here. You can actually use it for arranging extra, maybe blankets, sheets, yeah, and all that. So guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, family, and yeah. See you in the next video. Bye guys.